Welcome to the Financial Reality Session. My name is Daniel Harper. I've spent over 3 decades sitting across desks from families in crisis. And today, we're going to talk about something most people avoid. What do you do if you're over 55 and you have little or nothing saved for retirement? If that's you, stay with me, because this is not a lecture. This is strategy. And I'm going to give you 12 specific moves you can make starting now. 1. You are not a failure. First, understand this. You are not the only one. I have seen engineers, business owners, even physicians reach 60 and quietly admit, first, understand this. I don't have enough. Life happens. Mortgages happened. Kids happened. College tuition happened. Medical bills happened. Time moved faster than your savings account. This is not the end of your story. But denial will be. 2. Face the numbers. In my office, numbers don't lie. Emotion does, optimism does, but numbers don't. If you are 57 and healthy, you likely have 10 to 15 working years left. That is not nothing. 15 focused years can change everything. Your greatest asset right now is not your house, it's not your car, it is your ability to produce income. That is your golden engine. Protect it, use it, maximize it. 3. Know exactly where your money goes. I don't like the word budget. Clients tense up when they hear it. Call it a cash flow command sheet. Call it a financial blueprint. Call it whatever makes you uncomfortable enough to act. But you must know what comes in, what goes out. Every dollar needs a job. You cannot control what you refuse to measure. 4. Conduct a 30-day financial autopsy. Yes, autopsy. For 30 days, track every dollar, every coffee, every subscription, every impulse purchase. No apps required. A notebook works. Clarity creates control. Control creates options. 5. Increase the gap. Retirement success is not about income. It is about the gap between what you earn and what you keep. I have seen 6-figure earners retire broke. I have seen school custodians retire comfortably. The difference? The gap. Your mission is simple. Widen it. Cut expenses. Negotiate bills. Eliminate waste. Every dollar you keep becomes a worker. 6. Drastic problems require creative solutions. Let me tell you something I witnessed. A couple, both 59. Less than $40,000 saved. Good income, terrible savings history. They made a decision most people wouldn't. They sold their large home, moved into a smaller townhouse, reduced expenses by nearly 60%, saved aggressively for 4 years. Those 4 years changed their trajectory. Comfort often delays security. Temporary sacrifice builds permanent stability. Ask yourself, what would you be willing to change for 3 years to avoid financial fear at 75? 7. Work longer, on purpose. Retirement at 6 to 5 is an outdated social suggestion, not a law, not a rule. If you can work until 68 or 70, you do 3 powerful things. You earn more, you save more, you shorten retirement withdrawal years. That is leverage, and leverage, wins cases. 8. Be strategic about Social Security. This decision is not random. Delaying benefits increases monthly income significantly. For many people, waiting until 70 means thousands more per year for life. This is not guesswork, this is math. And math rewards patience. 9. Protect your health like an asset. I have watched retirement plans collapse because of preventable health issues. Your body is a financial instrument. Exercise. Eat like your future depends on it, because it does. Energy extends earning power. Earning power funds freedom. 10. Strengthen your mind. Fear paralyzes, clarity mobilizes. You are not too old. You are not incapable. You are not finished. One of my mentors once told me, resolve outruns circumstance. Write that down. Read it daily. 11. Become financially literate. You must understand 401k catch-up contributions, IRAs, Roth strategies, tax positioning, asset allocation. If you don't understand these tools, you are walking into retirement unarmed. Ignorance is expensive. Education pays dividends. 12. Do not ignore home equity. If you are over 62 and have significant equity in your home, there are structured tools available. Modern reverse mortgage programs are not what they were decades ago. Used correctly, they can eliminate a mortgage payment and create breathing room. But they must be evaluated carefully. With guidance, strategy beats stigma. Let me close with this. If you are 58 or 63 or even 6'7", and you feel behind. You are not powerless, but you are on the clock. Panic wastes time. Action builds security. You still have earning years. You still have decision power. You still have leverage. The question is not, is it too late? The real question is, am I finally ready to get serious? Because if you are, 5 focused years can rewrite your future. You've waited long enough, but your next 5 years can be the most powerful of your life. Begin today.